Hello and welcome. I'm Jennifer, your safety trainer here with today's lesson on smoking in the workplace. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Smoking in the workplace creates many different hazards for both the smoker and non-smokers who work with them, including cancer and being the source of ignition for work area fires. This lesson will briefly cover the dangers of smoking, where smoking is prohibited, and what to do if you need help quitting. The dangers of smoking have been known for nearly a century. First-hand and second-hand smoke can cause a variety of illnesses and ailments that have been well documented and researched. Nevertheless, many people still smoke out of habit or addiction. Over a prolonged period of time, smoking can cause cancer, act as an ignition source, create toxic mixes, and cause accidents. Cancer. Cigarette smoke contains over 4,000 chemicals. The carcinogens, cancer-causing materials, are harmful to both the actual smokers and people who are exposed to the smoke. Ignition source. The heat from smoking acts as an ignition source and can cause fires and explosions. Smoking in the workplace creates toxic mixes when mixed with certain chemicals. The chemicals from smoking stay on surfaces long after the smoke is gone, and these chemicals can form toxic mixtures when put with other chemicals produced in the workplace. Accidents. It's been shown that workers who smoke have twice the accident rate of non-smokers on the job. This is in part because smoking can become a distraction from the present job at hand and causes loss of focus when on the job site.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.